Are you dissatisfied with your dangle? You know, your charging port having to dangle down right there. I personally didn't like it. I come across a pretty cool solution, thought I'd share it. It's called the Stealth Port. It's like $30 shipped. It's actually, looks fairly well put together. Well, let's put it on, see if it works. Goes without saying, get to this point right here where you got your bag off and your cover off. I popped that off. It was getting in my way. Yeah, you just run the Allen screw up through this little bracket, just like that. Sorry, I'm, one-handing this camera work. Anyway, place that on, and then you have a flat washer with an acorn nut to hold it in place. Goes without saying, but as with all things Harley, blue Loctite. So it plugs in to your factory connector here. You just kind of tidy it in there however you want to. And put the cover back on. You can see how I have mine tucked up like that. And, there's no pinch points anywhere. When it's time to charge it, just pop it open. Plug it in, one hand, really secure. Pull it out. Boom. Well, second boom. Either way, it fits tight on there. It's not going to come off when you're riding. So if you don't want to drill any holes in any of your side panels to have like a permanent plug that should have come on the bike, this is a good option. I support it. Anyway, love you.